Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add certificates to your LinkedIn profile. If you find this guide useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, open up any web browser on your PC or laptop or even your mobile device. Head on over to linkedin.com and then make sure you're signed in. Once you've signed in, you want to click onto your profile. And then once you're on your profile page here, click on Add Profile section. And then under Add to Profile, you're going to click on Recommended. And then click on Add Licenses and Certifications. And now here, you got all this information to fill out to add your license or certification. So go ahead and put your name, your issuing organization, issue date, year, expiration date, year, credential ID, credential URL. You can also add skill and add media here. And once you've done all that, click on Save and you are good to go.